Let's hit our Best Buy. Let's see what we got. Wow. Yeah, well done. That's about it. They was your shipper, guys. For us though, we ordered 2 cases, so we ain't gotta worry about that. So let's go get our stuff, man. And hopefully we got a treasure in that bad boy. You guys have a display of the toy cars,
Okay.
and then this is just a case of them.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, because normally you buy them in like a case of 72. They come in 1 case, but you guys have these exclusive right now.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Got our boxes. Let's go do this. Man, what's happening? Let's crank. Let's crank. No? Just chilling. Want to do you guys another video real quick. Another unboxing from T.A.S. DC, the Auto Sanctuary Diecast. We entertain, we teach, we have fun, and most of all, we have a good time. Just gonna straight expose this real quick. I did get 2 of the Best Buy exclusive cases. Here's case number 1, and case number 2. We're just only gonna do 1 today, and let's see what we got, man. Hopefully we got a super, but I'm gonna run through this real fast. Let me see what we got going on. Exposure is everything. Okay. Let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, and smell. Let's see what we got here. Oh, man, look at that. Ooh, doggy. It's a clean treasure hunt there. You can see the flame right there. Very nice, very nice. Subi, baby. I only wanted the case for this and the exclusive and maybe a super. So let's just go through the case real quick. There's 2 of the Best Buy exclusives right here. You got the Dodge van, the F1 McLaren, and the Lancia Delta Integrale. But anyway, they all got nice paint jobs, man. Expose them real quick. I'm gonna do this really fast. Camaro. 69 Camaro convertible. You get the 18 Camaro SS. Still looks like a clean paint job. Almost like a Spectra Flame-ish. Then you got the famous Twin Mill 3. Almost like the original casting for the Twin Mill. Got the always elusive, the 90 Acura NSX. There's the Honda version out there. You get the GMC Hummer 2, the EV model. And then you get the Safari version of the Range Rover Classic with the, I guess they're mud tires. I'm sick of those tires. Hot Wheels, stop it. You got your tuned D83 Silverado, Donut Drifter, and your 71 Dodge Charger in full effect. There's another exclusive right here, the Porsche 935, another Best Buy exclusive, which is probably the hottest piece of the set. Most collectors want that bad boy right there. And then you get the BMW R9 T-Racer, the R90T Racer, whatever you want to call it. But I know there's a super coming up on next year, a similar car. And then you got your 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, baby. Oh, is that a super? No super. We got a dud. No super. The 94 Audi Avant. Oh, Von, I should say. I'm sorry. RS2. Dud muffin. Come on, man. Calm down. Calm down, partner. Then you get your 47 Chevy Fleetline and the Drifter. Man, this is probably... Man, this is just a dope cast. I like the paint job on this one. You got the Volvo 850 Estate, the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and a TV series Batmobile. I know this was a popular cast, and then it just died down a little bit. Man, people were paying 10, 15 bucks for this. That's crazy. Don't ever pay that. And then you have the Lucid Air. Phenomenal cars coming out. You should see them on the roads already. All electric. It's supposed to be the Tesla killer. Then you get your Lightning Bug, which does glow in the dark, and then you get your Shelby Cobra. Yeah, the Lightning Bug does glow in the dark. Let me see if I can get some juice real quick. Nah, we'll do that later. Ooh, and there's your last exclusive, which is the Custom 70 Honda N600. You got the then and now Supra, always looking clean. I know they're doing more renditions of this, more casting, more models, you know, more colors, all that good jazz. Renditions, you know. And then the 68 Mercury Cougar with the Castro livery on it. I think it's clean. Don't sleep on that one. All right, then you get the 62 Corvette Gasser. People be sleeping on that one too, but that paint is nice. It is the Mad Mouse Chevy, baby. And then the Lotus, I don't know, we're just gonna leave it at that. And then the highly talked about, the Pagani Sonda R. I know they got a white one coming out for 2023. And if you collect these, you should at least pair it with the NFT version. There's a couple of those. I have them. If you want to talk about them or see them, just drop a comment. All right, man. And the last of the Mohicans. You got the Nissan Maxima drift car. There's a recolor coming out of this bad boy. Always a badass casting. The Volvo 240 drift wagon. You know that the light's exposed now? I didn't notice it said 240 right there. That's pretty fire. The two little doggies in the bike. And then the Max Steel. All right, and the last two. You got the Koenigsegg Tamara, and then you got the custom 69 Chevy pickup. I'm not excited about it. It's still weird to me, but it's an art car, and I love art. So we're gonna have to rock it. What the hell? Look in the box. Look at that. Is this supposed to have a car right here? What is this? Wow. This is an untouched card. Oh, look, the thing is gone. Oh, okay. Got all my cards there. I guess it just left me an extra one, man. So that's it for this unboxing, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. We're gonna go with the second box another time, and I won't even talk over it. So, peace.